Imagine a dark laboratory lit only by a flickering gas lamp. The shadows dance on the walls, creating an eerie yet fascinating atmosphere. This is not just any lab, it's a place where groundbreaking discoveries are made, where the air is thick with the scent of chemicals and the promise of something extraordinary. Test tubes filled with bubbling liquids line the tables. Each one holds a different experiment, a different possibility. The liquids inside them bubble and froth, reacting to the careful measurements and precise actions of the scientists who work here. The room is alive with the sounds of science in action, a symphony of discovery. In the middle stands a woman, her eyes shining with excitement. She is not just any scientist, she is a pioneer, a trailblazer in a field dominated by men. Her name is Marie Curie, and her passion for science is evident in every move she makes. She is driven by a curiosity that knows no bounds, a desire to uncover the secrets of the universe. She's holding a small glass bottle glowing with a strange light. This is no ordinary light, it is the glow of radium, a substance that Marie Curie herself discovered. The glow is both beautiful and dangerous, a testament to the power and mystery of the elements. Marie handles it with care, fully aware of the risks but also of the incredible potential it holds. This is Marie Curie, a woman who wasn't afraid to explore the unknown and change the world forever. Her discoveries in radioactivity not only earned her 2 Nobel Prizes but also paved the way for advancements in medicine, energy, and our understanding of the atomic world. She faced countless challenges and obstacles, but her determination and brilliance shone through. Her story is one of hard work, brilliance, and the amazing possibilities of science. Marie Curie's journey was not an easy one. She worked tirelessly, often in difficult conditions, to achieve her goals. Her dedication to her work was unwavering, and her contributions to science are immeasurable. She showed the world that with passion and perseverance, anything is possible. Marie Curie wasn't scared of the dark. She embraced it, finding solace and inspiration in the quiet moments of solitude. The darkness was not a barrier, but a canvas for her to paint her discoveries. She worked late into the night, her mind racing with ideas and possibilities. The dim light of her lab was a beacon of hope and innovation. She found beauty in it. The shadows and the flickering light were not just a backdrop, but a part of her process. They were the silent witnesses to her genius, the companions of her late-night experiments. In the darkness, she saw the potential for discovery, the promise of new knowledge. She found beauty in the unknown, in the mysteries waiting to be uncovered. She saw the chance to discover new things, to push the limits of what we know. Marie Curie was not content with the status quo. She was always looking for the next breakthrough, the next piece of the puzzle. Her curiosity was insatiable, and her drive was unstoppable. She pushed the boundaries of science, challenging herself and the world to think bigger, to dream bigger. Her love for science, her never-give-up attitude, and her amazing discoveries made her one of the most famous people in history. Marie Curie's legacy is one of inspiration and achievement. She showed us that with passion, dedication, and a willingness to explore the unknown, we can achieve greatness. Her story is a testament to the power of science and the human spirit. Born Maria Skłodowska in 1867 in Warsaw, Poland, Marie Curie would go on to become one of the most renowned scientists in history. But her journey was far from easy. Marie Curie's childhood wasn't easy. Growing up in a family that faced financial difficulties, she learned the value of hard work and perseverance from a young age. Poland was ruled by Russia, and there weren't many chances to learn, especially for girls. The Russian authorities imposed strict regulations, making it difficult for Polish children to receive a proper education. But Marie loved to learn. She was determined to educate herself despite the obstacles. She would often stay up late into the night, reading and studying by the dim light of a candle. Her parents, both teachers, taught her to be curious, to think critically, and to stand up for what she believed in. They instilled in her a love for knowledge and a passion for discovery. Even though they didn't have much, Marie read every book she could find. She borrowed books from friends and neighbors, always eager to learn something new. She spent hours in her father's small lab, excited by the wonders of science. Her father, a teacher of mathematics and physics, encouraged her curiosity and allowed her to experiment with his scientific equipment. Marie kept detailed notes of her observations and experiments, developing a methodical approach to her studies that would serve her well in her future scientific endeavors. She was fascinated by the natural world, from the smallest particles to the vastness of the cosmos. Her insatiable curiosity drove her to explore and understand the mysteries of the universe. Despite the many challenges she faced, Marie's determination and passion for learning never wavered. She was resolute in her pursuit of knowledge, laying the foundation for her future groundbreaking discoveries. Marie loved learning so much that she left Poland to study in Paris. At the Sorbonne, a very famous university, people treated her differently because she was a woman and from another country. But Marie didn't give up. She was great at her studies. She focused on math and physics, and she graduated at the top of her class. Everyone saw how smart and dedicated she was, and she quickly became a leading scientist. In Paris, Marie met Pierre Curie, a brilliant physicist who also loved science. They fell in love and worked together. Intrigued by Henri Becquerel's discovery of mysterious rays from uranium, Marie and Pierre decided to investigate. Working tirelessly in their simple lab, they made some amazing discoveries. In 1898, Marie and Pierre Curie announced they had discovered two new elements: polonium, named after Marie's home country, and radium, which was much more radioactive than uranium. Their work, done in difficult conditions, changed how we understand matter and radioactivity. The world noticed. In 1903, Marie and Pierre Curie, along with Henri Becquerel, won the Nobel Prize in Physics for discovering radioactivity. Marie Curie became the first woman to win this important prize, inspiring many scientists. A terrible thing happened in 1906. Pierre Curie died in an accident. Marie was heartbroken, but she didn't stop working. She wanted to honor Pierre's memory and continue their research. She took over Pierre's teaching job at the Sorbonne, becoming the first woman professor there. Some men didn't believe in her, but Marie didn't give up. Her love of science kept her going. Marie Curie kept making discoveries. She learned more about radium and isolated the pure metal in 1910. Her work helped create new treatments for cancer and other illnesses. In 1911, Marie Curie won her second Nobel Prize, this time in chemistry, for her work on polonium and radium. This amazing achievement made her a true pioneer in science. During World War I, Marie Curie used her scientific knowledge to help people. She designed mobile X-ray machines called little Curies that could be used on the battlefield to help doctors see soldiers' injuries. These machines saved many lives. Marie Curie always wanted to use science to make the world better. She worked hard to promote the use of radium in medicine and started the Radium Institute in Paris, a place for research and treatment. Sadly, Marie Curie died in 1934 from an illness caused by working with radiation. Her relentless pursuit of knowledge and her groundbreaking research came at a great personal cost. Despite the dangers, she remained dedicated to her work, driven by a passion to uncover the mysteries of science. Her story is a poignant reminder of the sacrifices made by pioneers in the field of science, but her work still inspires scientists today, and she showed girls that they can be successful in science. Marie Curie's legacy lives on in the countless women who have followed in her footsteps, breaking barriers and making significant contributions to various scientific fields. Her achievements have paved the way for future generations, proving that gender should never be a barrier to success in science. Marie Curie's story teaches us that with passion, hard work, and a love of learning, we can do amazing things. Her dedication to her research, even in the face of adversity, is a testament to the power of perseverance. She showed us that the pursuit of knowledge is a noble endeavor, one that can lead to incredible discoveries and advancements that benefit all of humanity. Her discoveries still impact our world, from medical treatments to how we understand the universe. The development of X-ray machines and cancer treatments are just a few examples of how her work continues to save lives and improve our understanding of the natural world. Marie Curie's contributions have left an indelible mark on science and medicine, influencing countless researchers and inspiring new generations of scientists. Marie Curie showed us that learning is an exciting adventure and anything is possible. Her life and work remind us that curiosity and determination can lead to extraordinary achievements. By embracing the spirit of exploration and innovation, we can continue to push the boundaries of what is possible and make meaningful contributions to the world around us.